It's Melissa again from the AC Library showing you how to use the Access World News database. In this video, I'll walk you through how to conduct a search yourself when you know exactly the specific topic you're looking for and don't want to mess around with browsing topics. There is a search box here on the home page, but I really like clicking on More Search options. Now you can narrow your topic by all of these things. Select a field just means that this will be a keyword search, so leave that alone when you're putting a search term in there. I'm going to search for information about sanctuary cities, so I'll put sanctuary city surrounded by quotation marks in the first box. I'm using the quotation marks because this is a phrase with two words, sanctuary and city. Using the quotes means I'll only get articles that contain that exact phrase, not an article talking about the church sanctuaries, for example. Even though I want a keyword or select a field search now, notice these other options that you could use, like searching in just the headline or title of all of the articles, or only through the first paragraph where the author is introducing his topic. This word count option is cool too. For most all of your assignments in college, it's best to only use sources that were written within the last 5 years. Of course, there are exceptions, history classes, some English classes, but unless your instructor specifically tells you what dates to use, only go back 5 years. I'm making this video in 2020, so I'll enter 2015 and then put a dash or hyphen and enter 2020. If I wanted, I could put additional search terms in additional boxes. Click on this plus sign to do that. I might want to add the word immigrant. It's best to separate out the parts of your research question. Don't just put every word into the first box, but put a single concept or search term into a single box. This Apply Lexile Levels button allows you to select a reading level. This is helpful both to get easier to read options and to get higher level sources. Since we're in college now, I could select the 10th, 11th, and 12th grade reading levels. Select Apply after making your choices. This database defaults to show you the newest articles first, and sometimes that may be what you want, but in my case, I want the most relevant articles, the ones that most closely match my search words, so I'll select Best Match. You can even refine your search by source location. It's best if you select from the list over here rather than simply clicking the map. When I tested clicking the map directly, it usually got rid of all of my search terms. Since I'm mostly interested in what's happening in the US, I'll select North America here. When you're done with everything, just click on Search to see all of the results matching your topic. There are a lot of results here. When that happens, try to get more specific with your search by using this menu on the left side of the screen. Source type might help. You can select just the newspapers or even college newspapers. A lot of assignments at AC may be focused on this population. Click on More Options to possibly see additional types of sources, but also so that you can select more than one type of source at a time. After you've made selections, just click Apply. At first, we were only able to pick North America, but now I can select the US here. Or you can get even more specific. Click on More Options to open up the search box where you can select specific states or cities. I skipped province, but Canada has provinces. I'll select Texas, but also Oklahoma, New Mexico, and Louisiana. Click Apply when finished. Notice that now we have far fewer search results to look through. Please don't use this Save Search because it doesn't actually do that. You can create an alert to send you emails when new information about your topic is published. To see the articles themselves, you can either click on the hyperlinked title or use this preview link. If this preview sounds good, you can click on View Document to see the full article. Please don't use this session folder, which doesn't actually save anything you place in any of the folders that you create. This menu at the top of the article gives you the option to toggle between two text sizes. To copy the citation for this article if you decide to use it, I'll select the MLA style, and then you can copy it so that you can then paste it into your paper on the Works Cited page. Check out the MLA guide at actx.libguides.com/MLA for more information about how to follow this style. I'll also mention that each of the articles in your results list will highlight your search words, hopefully making it easier to see if this article will be one that you do want to use. That's all I'm going to explain in this tutorial, but please watch the final one in this series for how to use the additional buttons on this menu to save, print, or email the articles that you want. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask us.